Hello, this is Angie from VRAcademi, and today we are going to see the properties of Sprite and how to use them. So this is our Sprite, and we can see it also here in our Sprites panel, where all sprites that we have can be seen. Our Sprite has a name. This is called Sprite 1, but I can change its name to Cat, and then I can see its position or its coordinates. So if I change the position of my sprite, the coordinates change accordingly. If I have a big project with many sprites and I don't want to see some sprites at a specific time so as to code some others, I can make them hide from my screen. In order to do that, I will click here on the show button and make my sprite disappear for this moment, and I can make it appear again. Then I can change the size of my sprite from this point, so I can make it smaller by changing its size to 30%, or I can make it bigger by changing its size to something more than 100%. And then I have a direction button from where I can change the direction of my sprite. So now it is 90 degrees, and if I make it, I can change it from here, or I can change the number of degrees I want it to be. This way my sprite will look upwards. In the direction button, you see three small choices over here. We are going to discuss these choices in our next video. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.